Okay, not too much of a line, only 5-minute wait for Coastersaurus. So I'm going to ride it. Hopefully I can get on with my camera. Sometimes here they're okay with you doing with your camera, and sometimes they're not. It's like one of the few rides that's left over from this place with Cypress Gardens. The Dino Island Research Facility. Okay, let's get to it. Usually I don't do roller coasters, I don't like them. I get nervous.
Please keep all feet on the ground.
I don't like roller coasters, I never did.
Big girl status. You want to go in again? See, it was not bad.
I hate this. I hate roller coasters. And this is a tame one.
Push down, pull up, make that toward your left. My brother and I do. Board, lead, football, hat, bag, printer, and backpack must go in the three parts of the station. Hat, bag, city pack, purses, and backpack must go in a green cubby.
Yes. Yeah, you liked it? I know you would.
Angle you don't see very often.
No! No, next, I want it to be...
You don't see that building, very often on this channel. Ooh. That's a very tame roller coaster compared to some.
Oh, look at you, mommy.
Yeah.
Oh, there I am.
Oh, I see Daddy and Lally in a bunch.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know, here's a bunch.
Scan code.
Oh, we're on the top left.
Yes. I'm on top right.
Look, I gave it a thumbs up.
On me and Nancy.
There I am. Let's see about getting that. Let's see, 1270. I think I'm going to get a copy of that. Alright, oh, there's another one. W1271.